Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to use margin on Kraken on an iPhone. It's a very simple tutorial, so if you appreciate it, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions around the video whatsoever. I would love to help you out. And by the way, this video is no financial advice. Um, the first thing you should know is you want to go on the App Store if you are on the iPhone, or the Play Store if you are on an Android device. You want to type in Kraken. It's really important to not download this one, but the Kraken Pro app, where you can actually trade with margin. When you install it, just like I did, and you sign up, there's an API that you have to use. You just want to sign in just like this. Click on any currency, for example, repo. Click on new order. Right here, you want to select leverage to whatever you want, up to five. Select market, for example. Select the amount of repo you want to buy, for example, 100,000. Click on buy repo, and when you swipe, you'll buy it. So this is how you do it. If you appreciate this video, give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.